I'm going to teach you how to build an employee verification request automation in Zapier. We'll set up a simple portal for requests, store submissions in a table, generate a document from a template, and notify your team automatically, all without manual copy-paste. We'll begin in Zapier Interfaces. Create a new interface and add a form page where your team can submit employee verification requests. Include fields such as employee name, company name, email address, document type, and any additional notes. Think of this form as your internal front door. Instead of passing messages around, everyone uses the same place to submit details. Make important fields required, add short descriptions so teammates know what to enter, and keep field names consistent because we'll map them later. Next, open Zapier Tables and create a table called Employee Verification Requests. Add columns for employee name, email, document type, status, and request date. Connect the interface form to this table so every submission becomes a new record automatically. Tables work like a lightweight database, giving you a reliable source of truth and an audit trail of who requested what and when. Now build the automation. Create a new Zap and set the trigger to New Record in Zapier Tables, targeting the Employee Verification Requests table. From this point on, every new form submission will kick off the workflow without you lifting a finger. Add the document generation step. Use a prepared template in Google Docs or in Notion, and insert the employee data from the table into the appropriate placeholders. With one action, the system fills out the document for you, eliminating manual edits and reducing the chance of typos. Keep your template clean and clearly labeled so the mapped fields land exactly where you want them. After that, notify the team. Send a Slack message or an email via Gmail that includes the employee name, the document type, and a link to the generated document. This immediate notification keeps work moving and makes it easy for reviewers to open the file right away. Before turning anything on, run a full test. Submit a sample through the interface and confirm that a new record appears in the table. The document is created from the template, and the notification arrives. If something looks off, adjust your field mappings and try again. Finally, switch the Zap on. From now on, each request flows from submission to table to automation. The employee document is generated, and your team is promptly notified, hands-off and consistent every time.